Hey there. If you're new around here, I'm Melinda.
I'm Tracey.
And we are the Gallivanting Gals. We travel the world to bring you all the best places to visit, the things to see, the things to do,
And the yummy foods to eat.
So please give us a thumbs up.
Hit that subscribe button
so you can follow along on our adventures.
Okay, y'all. So in this video, we just want to do a little video on what to take, or what we like to take, especially during the pandemic times, to the Disney parks. We usually just have a lightweight backpack, and as you can see, we'll start with that. We have our hand sanitizer, and we have quite a bit of hand sanitizer, so this is just one of them. We take water bottles, refillable water bottles. We each have one, and they have stations in the parks that you can actually just fill up your water bottles, and that way you don't have to pay $8 for water in the parks. Or you can go to any quick service restaurant and they will give you free ice water. So that's just something to think about. Next, we have extra pair of glasses, extra pair of sunglasses. Especially if you wear prescription sunglasses. I can get away with the cheapy ones, but Melinda, on the other hand, has her prescription sunglasses, so she has 2 pairs, and so we take an extra one with us. These bags, this is all our camera gear. We have 2 different sets of cameras, so we kind of color coordinate the bags so we know which camera is what. So we take that with us so we can make all these lovely videos. Next thing you take, sunscreen. Even though you may be here in February, the sun in Florida is hot and it's still warm, so just make sure you take some sunscreen. Next, we have a small first aid kit. And in here we keep Band-Aids, antibiotic ointment. We have moleskin for blisters, because that could possibly happen. Even though you're wearing your most comfortable shoes, it could still happen. And a lot of over-the-counter ibuprofen, Tylenol, Benadryl, things like that. Next, you do not want to pay $15 to $20 for that famous Mickey Mouse poncho when it comes afternoon and the rain hits, because lo and behold it's going to, because you're at Disney. It lasts maybe 15 minutes and then it's gone, but you don't want to spend that money. Grab you some cheap ponchos and just they're thin, they're light. They don't take up room. And that way you can just pitch them after you're done with them, and you don't have to worry about lugging around a wet poncho. And this is COVID times, so we take wet ones also. We have a pack of this plus our hand sanitizer. So, mask. We have several masks. Some are lighter, some are thicker, some are, these days we have all kinds of masks. And then of course we have paper masks. In case it gets too hot, these might be a little easier to breathe through, because you do have to wear a mask. It's mandatory throughout all Disney parks. Next, if you have someone going with you in your family that never fails, you're gonna get that ultimate, chili dog stain, or cheese stain, or mustard stain, Tide stick, or we even use the little shout wipe packets that you can use. But have something to get that out, because if you're like me and have to do the laundry, and you'll forget that stain's there, and then you're the one getting yelled at because it didn't come out. And last but not least, because we have a lot of equipment that we have to make sure is charged up, batteries, we have battery banks that we carry in the backpack also. And that way we can charge our cameras, our phones, whatever we need to charge, and that way we don't run out of battery.
Okay, y'all, hopefully that will help you plan if you plan on coming to the Disney parks anytime soon. Obviously, some of them would be for any time, and then there's some, the masks are really the biggest thing extra for during COVID. We always bring wet wipes and hand sanitizer with us anyway, we always have. But hopefully this does give you a good idea of what to pack, and maybe even a way to save a little bit of money. So we really hoped you enjoyed it, and we'd love to hear what you pack, what you think is necessary when you take a trip to Disney. And if you like this video, found any value in it, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure and smash that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when new content is uploaded. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.